building a manufactured home. So let me just walk you through them. So we have 4 lots available, A, B, C, and E. We subdivided these in 2025. And so these properties are available on our website. You can find them here. The property in green is the one that's in question. So as we just kind of scroll through the listing, you'll see we have the plat from when we subdivided the lots, and we'll identify which property is actually the one being discussed. I'm just going to use parcel A as an example, but what I'm going to talk about here will pretty much go for all 4 parcels. We have drone imagery showing the property. You'll see we have an interesting little creek going through the back. There's also a couple small washes, but they're not significant really. It's a pretty flat parcel, pretty wide open. You've got mountain views in multiple directions. Lots of space to pretty much, kick your feet up, place an RV, kind of have some space to yourself. They're 7.5 acres, so you have some breathing room. We have just a drone video kind of giving you a sense for the land here. I'll let you look through that on your time. And like I said, the property's in Golden Valley. You're 30 minutes from Kingman, which is a nice historic town. Has pretty much everything you should need in terms of supplies. And also to the west, you have Bullhead City, which technically is an international airport. Not the biggest. I think it's just under an hour to Bullhead. And if you wanted to reach an international airport, that would be in Las Vegas, just under 2 hours away. Where are we here? And we love having these land ID maps because they help give you a sense for what land really is. And so we've identified the parcel boundaries here. It gives you a sense for like the character of the land. You can zoom in, you can put it into 3D here, which gives you a sense for the topography a little bit better. This is a more significant wash, but it's not within parcel A. I think even parcel E just has a little corner of it. Some people like that though. Gives a little bit of character to the land. This property is off grid. I think the nearest power it's a couple sections away. I think it's up here. So the cost to bring that down is probably a bridge too far. So in my mind, this is more of an off-grid lot for someone who's maybe they'll put up a few solar panels while they have their RV on it. Theoretically, you could put a manufactured home on it. That would be allowed, or a site-built home. You'd just be dealing with a power situation that, it's one to the south and one to the northeast here. The water level is quite a ways down. On average, it's about 500 feet from what I've seen. So I think a lot of people are having water delivered here rather than drilling wells. And finally, you'll also notice that the property it's not in a flood zone. It's not in a wetland. It's got a couple small washes, but according to our mapping software, it doesn't view them as particularly significant. But you'd probably want to, if you're looking at lot A, you'd probably want to be on one of the areas that's aside from the wash, but you have lots of space to choose from. Remember, this is 7.5 acres. So this space here in the middle is a couple acres in size. So you do have some options. So just scrolling down here, we have the details, the parcel number, legal description. Mohave County is still in the process of updating their parcel numbers, so just be aware of that. If you try to look it up on the website, they're still working on that. But this is the original parent 37-acre property. We pretty much give you the details that we were able to dig up as part of our own due diligence process when we built the property. Give us a little write-up about the property. Every property that we sell is clear and marketable title. And if you're buying the property for cash, we'll pay for your first year property taxes, just a special incentive that I haven't seen anyone else offer. So that's something that we're doing for our customers. And also another unique offering that I see that we're doing is if you're financing the property with us and you make your first 12 monthly payments on time, we will allow you to defer one of your payments after that point to the end of the loan. Because we know that sometimes life gets crazy and things happen that are unexpected. It's almost a guarantee that unexpected things happen. So we try to work with our customers where, if something weird happens and you need to skip one payment, you can do that and we'll push that one payment to the end of the loan. Now, in terms of our pricing, the property is listed for $17,999. We have financing plans here ranging from, we need a minimum of 10% down, and that works out to $379 a month for 60 months. And you see your other plans here. Or if you're looking and you're wondering, hey, I need something kind of different, you can submit for a custom finance plan with a higher down or higher monthly payments. This bottom plan here is kind of the lowest in terms of down payment that we could work with, or if you did a larger down, then this would be lower and that would be fine. So yeah, that you can definitely feel free to ask for a custom finance plan. And we have some more details down here about how to get to the property and what's around it and other points of interest. So again, my name is Andrew Gassenbeek. I'm a co-founder with Compass Land USA. Interest in that, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any other questions about the land or if we can be of any service at all. Thanks so much for your time.